guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make your very own little toy clock with my sister Jenna. And yeah, let's get to it. The things that you'll need is paper, scissors, pencils, and any colored pencils of your choice. And last but not least, tape. The first thing that you want to do is draw out a circle. Then you want to get your scissors and cut it out. Then you want to color your clock any design that you like. Once you're done coloring your clock, you want to cut out the two hands that go on your clock. Once you cut out your hands, put them in the middle of the clock. Just like this and this. Then you want to tape them on your clock. Once you've taped your hands to the clock, around the clock you want to write down numbers with a black pen or marker. Once you're done, you can add more details. This is optional, but you can add some string if you want to hang your clock on the wall. Then you're done! I hope you guys enjoyed my video making this super cool clock with me. And